Hey guys, Amy here. So I just wanted to make a quick tutorial on kind of the new Cricut printable waterproof sticker papers. Well, I have three different ones here. There's the white one, there's a transparent one, a white holographic, and I believe there's a transparent holographic, which I don't have that one. But I just wanted to show you real quick kind of how to use these. You use them all the same way. So in each of the kits comes different amount of papers. On here there's 5 printable vinyls and then 5 of the transparent. So it actually comes with the laminate that we need to put on top to make it waterproof, and then the actual printable vinyl. So it's not just a one material thing that you just print it and it's waterproof. You actually have to put the laminate on it, which I've done videos about before of using like the self-healing thing. So this is a similar thing. It's just all in one pack. I just wanted to show you, I was printing some out here. So you can see this is the holographic, which I already did. This is the transparent one. And we're gonna put these on things. It's really gonna depend on what you're putting them on what you wanna use. But I wanted to show you, this is the white one that I just printed, and I just wanted to show you how to put the actual laminate on it and then cut it out. So I find it easiest to actually, okay, so I'm putting this on here. And I'm using a brayer to get it flat. Okay, so it kind of holds it in place. And then, as I said, this is the white one, and this is the vinyl laminate. So you'll see up at the top here, it kind of folds, and that you can remove this piece. So we're gonna remove this, and this is what's gonna go at the top here. So we're gonna try to line it up as well as we can and get that top part down. And where did my scraper go? I'm gonna scrape that down well at the top there. And then kind of flip it over. I'm gonna grab this end, and then while you're kind of holding it down, or even scraping it down on this side, put the rest of that on. Okay. So sometimes you can get bubbles in them. I think I got one here because I was trying to film it while I was doing it, and I wasn't using my scraper as well as I normally do. So you can try to push the bubbles to the sides. You just obviously trying to get them so they're not within the printed part there. Okay, so then you'll notice when you browse all your materials, I'm just gonna type in printable. So we have the printable sticker paper here, and you can see that they have different ones now. They have the white with the gray liner and the white with the green liner, because the old printable sticker paper had the gray liner. So any of these new ones, you'll see that backside is green. So I am doing the printable waterproof sticker set white. Okay, so I'm gonna click done. I'm gonna load this into my Cricut. Okay, and then when it's blinking, I'm gonna push the button, and it's gonna read those registration marks and cut those out. Okay, so we have all of them here. This is the white, the transparent, and then the holographic. So you can see the holographic definitely, since you can see that shiny part there, it takes away from some of the color just a little bit. But I put one of the holographics on a mug. You can see that. And just for comparison, we will put the white one on the other side. This is actually a Cricut mug. So these waterproof ones can be washed and they're UV resistant, so they won't fade, but they still won't hold up well in the dishwasher because it's really too high of a heat for any type of permanent anything. So the only thing that's going to hold up in there is like infusible ink or sublimation. But there is the white one. You can see on this side is the holographic, which is pretty cool. So it's really going to depend on what your bottom layers are that you're putting the stickers on, whether it's a mug, a tumbler, a notebook or computer or anything else. So this is the white one on a pink background, and then the holographic. Let's see, and this is the transparent one. Okay, where you can see through the back. So, like I said, really it's just going to depend on what you want it to look like, what's your background. Let's just look at this on black background. This is the holographic, which looks really fun on a black background there. And the transparent's probably not going to show up very well on the back on a black. And then we have the white. So you can kind of see there the differences of, really it's going to depend on that material color or what you're putting it on there. So again, like I said, same process for each of them of putting that laminate over at the top. And I think, so the white one you get 6 of each, holographic you get 5 of each, transparent you get 6 of each. So, depending cost-wise if you want to take a look at that, but these are all fun waterproof stickers that you can have fun with. And okay, so I hope that helps kind of getting you started with just kind of what the different ones look like, so it might help you decide what you want to use for your project. And anyway, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more tutorials, and have a great day. Happy crafting!